Alright, this video is more properties of logarithms, but these are properties that you use to expand and condense. There's the product property, the quotient property, and the power property. I'm going to explain how these work. This first one is the product property. Just got to remember the word product means multiply, right? So when things are multiplied, on this left side, this is where they would be condensed. Think about the word condense means squash together or condense together, make smaller, right? So on this side, the left side, this is condensed. And this is how you expand it on the right side. So if you multiply, or the rule for product is that you expand it by adding. So this is the basic rule on top. I did an example for you right here. This is the example. Alright, so when you, this is condensed, these are multiplied together. To expand it, you add them and break them apart. And you could, alright, let's move on. This next rule is the quotient rule. On the left side, it is condensed. Quotient means division, so I divide R divided by S. You make sure you keep the same base, so if the base is B, you keep it here as you expand. And the only reason you expand or condense is to make the problem easier to solve. I'm going to make you guys do some in the problems on our homework, but the only reason you learn this trick is to solve the problems. So when you divide, this is condensed. Over here is expand. This is expand. These are just properties of logarithms. So here's the example. If you have log base 3, 5 divided by 7, you can expand it like this. You subtract. These answers, if you put them in the calculator on the left side, this answer would be the same as this answer. And then this power rule. I use the power rule all the time. This will come up all the time. So it's when you have a power, C is the power, right? This C is the power. Well, this is condensed, and this is expand. The C comes down in front. So here's my example. Log base 2 to the exponent. The exponent is the power, hence power rule. The exponent comes down in front. Just another way to write the same thing. These are equivalent statements. This is expanded. That's it.